¿Qué onda? ¿Cómo están? Les tenemos una buena noticia y una medio mala. La buena es que nuestra audiencia ha crecido considerablemente mejor de lo que esperábamos y también nos dimos cuenta que se hizo internacional. Es por esto que decidimos hacer nuestros videos en inglés. Y esta es la mala noticia, sobre todo para ti, Aarón y Lupita. Los videos van a ser en inglés, pero no se preocupen, vamos a poner subtítulos en español para que pues, todos puedan disfrutar del contenido.
So in this video, we're going to talk about packing. We're almost ready to leave, but we haven't actually even packed our bags. Now, packing for an indefinite time trip with unknown locations might actually sound harsh, but it really isn't. So let's get started. We're going to give you 10 packing tips and hacks. Now, these tips are perfect for making your packing easier.
Number 1, make a list. Start by writing down what you'll need to take, and after you can scratch out some things that you'll see they're not so useful. Make different columns for toiletries, shoes, clothes, and other accessories. Number 2, roll your clothes. Instead of folding it, just roll them so you can save a lot of space.
Number 3, being friendly saves space. So this one is only for the girls. Taking tampons and menstrual towels will take a lot of space from your bag. Instead, take one single tiny menstrual cup and use that extra space for something else. And you can also help us save the planet. Number 4, use plastic wrap for liquids. Yeah, we probably all know this hack, right? But do we use it? It makes a lot of difference to avoid a mess of a sunscreen explosion in our luggage, which takes us to
Number 5, replace liquid shampoo and conditioner with solid bars. Nowadays, you can find solid shampoo bars and conditioner. These are perfect for traveling. Pack them by just rolling them inside a towel or use a soap case. Number 6, international converter and power bar. We don't know where we are going, so we bought an international power converter. This will work anywhere in the world and it was just $10. You can upgrade this by bringing with you a power bar. That way you can have 6 electronics plugged at the same time.
Number 7, make a carry-on backpack for a day. Include toiletries, a change of clothes, and your most valuable items. That way, if your luggage gets lost for a day or two, you will still have enough stuff. Remember to include a power bank fully charged on this backpack. Number 8, pack versatile items. Sarongs are the most versatile item I know. You can use them as a dress, as a blanket, as a beach towel, as a pillowcase, or as a skirt. It can be whatever you want. Clothes that are reversible are also very good for trips.
Number 9, the heavy stuff goes in the bottom of your luggage. Electronics and shoes will be difficult to move if you are just looking for your sweater. If you're not gonna use them, put them in the bottom. And also pack your socks inside your shoes. Number 10, double check your cables. You will be surprised to see how many electronics have the same cable entry, so check them and pack only one of each type. Untangle them and pack them in a sunglasses case.
So that makes it 10 packing tips and hacks. We hope you liked this video and it was useful. If it was, go give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.
Don't miss out any of our travel tips and adventures.